Hey guys, Krishna here, and I have another video for you for Davinci Resolve 17. Let me go and start it up. And basically, we need to go through some of the tools on the edit page. But what I want to do right now is just give you an overview of the edit page so you know how to get around. So what I'm going to do here, I'm in the media pool. Uh, sorry, let me just come here, media storage, gonna go to the desktop. I'm just gonna drag all those samples here, doesn't matter, I'm just gonna put down change here. Okay, so all my media is available. We're going to the to edit page here, and what we're gonna do actually, if you want to follow up with me, just go here and click reset UI layout. So we're gonna do that, and it's gonna give us this layout here, and we're gonna start from here. So we have our media pool here available to us, but it looks teeny tiny here. So what we're gonna do first, we wanna hide this sidebar that we have here that usually show the different bins that we have, and we just do it from here just by clicking here. Now it looks a little bit better, right? But what we want to do is we want to have this timeline just go across from the very left here to the top to the right here. So how we do that, we just click here by this button here, and now it does expand, right? And we're able to still have our media here, our different footages that we can still use. If you look a little bit here, it seems like it's a little bit cramped, and what we're gonna do, we're just gonna move this a little bit like this, and now it's a little bit better, right? And we already went through some of those items here. You could uh, expand a little bit, make the thumbnails a lot bigger. You could change the way you're seeing all the different footages, but usually I just like to say it like that. It gives me a better idea of what footage I'm looking at. Okay, so the other thing that we have here, what I'm going to do is um, let me drag and drop a couple footages down here, just like this, just like this. Maybe let's drag and drop this one. We put it here just like that. Okay. So what we're seeing here, so if I click on one of my footage here, it does appear over here on this screen, right? So this screen over here is your source screen. So it's showing you everything. The it's showing you the video of the footage that you have selected. This other screen over here is anything that is in your timeline. So if I'm over here, I press on the timeline, when it plays, it is this video here that is, this screen here that is playing, right? So one thing you could do is you could decide to just have one screen. And the way you do that, you just click here, you just come here by clicking here. And now you just have one screen. But actually what I want to show you is to know which screen is active is actually by the color here. So the color orange here let us know which screen is active. So right now, if I press play, it's gonna be this screen over here that's gonna play. But if I come over here and press play now, this one is active and this one is gonna play. Okay. So one thing here is, like I mentioned, you could definitely come here and just see one screen. So if you want to see the different screens, so right now we're looking at the timeline view over here, the timeline screen. And if I press on Q, this is where I'm able to change to the source screen. So if I come here to view, you also have over here if you're a little bit more comfortable going from menus, but I believe over here you have the shortcut. This is what you're going to be using the most. Just by clicking that, it does switch it up for you. Okay. Coming here at the very top, actually, let's come back to that a little bit later. Let's move here. We're going to be looking at all the different options that we have here a little bit later on. But one of the things I want to show you, just so you have a better, if you want to customize part of the view that you're seeing here, we have this button available to us. The first one over here is allow you to show different timeline. It could happen that you want to work with like a project with different timelines. If you want to maybe generate the different version of the same work that you're doing, this is how you could do that, right? And basically, if we want to hide it just like that, we have some other options here, especially this one for the waveforms. The first one that we have here will just allow us to modify some of the things that we're seeing here as far as the thumbnail. So right now we're seeing all the thumbnails. If we select this one, it's just gonna show the first and the last thumbnail, right? And this one is not gonna show any thumbnail. But this is my preferred view over here. And over here as well, different options just to how you're seeing this waveform. It does switch up a little bit, right? I like to level it like that as well, and I can as well change part of the height of the track over here, just like that. So let's say we also have several tracks available here, and we want to see them a little bit more. We could move this up, and then we can see that. But as well, we could come here as well, and we can move that up. We have a little bit more real estate over here. Okay, so the other thing I want to show you here is just as far as zooming in and zooming out. This one over here allows you to show if you have your whole project that is going there. It's going to show you the whole project just without zooming. So if I click on that, it's going to show you the whole project without zooming. This one is going to center, it's going to zoom in on where the our cursor here is, and this one is just gonna go back to whatever view you had customized before choosing those other options here. But you could either do that or as well press on Command plus and minus, and I believe on Windows would be Control plus and minus. Okay, and the last thing I just want to show you a little bit here. You still have options. So if I click on one here, you have option to have access to the metadata, but as well, actually, you know what, this is one thing as well that you're probably going to be doing is time to time, let's say you're already done with some of the things that you had to do here, especially with the media pool. You could definitely hide this, right, and rearrange a little bit part of your different panels here, so you see really the information that you want. So over here, I'm going to come here, metadata. So depending on what you have selected, you can change the metadata here. The inspector, you can come here and change it, and especially for audio, you also have the equalizer here. But the thing is, the changes that you're making here only affect that specific clip, right? So if you had several clips available, and I can actually show you that, where we're coming here and let's say we switching just the volume of this one, you're going to see that it's only this clip over here that is changing, and this one is not changing. Maybe that is the intent that you want to have. This is really the action that you want to do, but a lot of times really it is recommended to actually do it in the mixer, and you have Fairlight here where you're going to do everything that has to do with the audio, right? And you have the way of over here, if I play this just quite a bit here, one of the things that you're gonna notice is just is because I turned this off, but we can come here and actually switch like the meters here to see the meter instead we want to see the mixer. So like I did probably mention in one of my other videos, this laptop over here, this MacBook, didn't really have a graphic GPU or good graphic card, so sometimes it does keep a little bit some of the frames there, but it gets the job done, right? So this is just a quick overview that I wanted to show you, help you navigate around the edit view, and we're going to be spending a little bit more time with some of the options available to us. So this is all I had for you guys today. This is Krishna. I'm signing out. Do not forget, go destroy that like button, right? Subscribe if you want to get a little bit more notification about those videos that I'm making here for you guys, and I will talk to you the next time. Okay.